Don't hang around.
Realness out here, mate.
It's a pretty dope.
Reynella sounds. Mr. Reynella.
Yeah.
Blackjack.
ADL Adelaide.
Here we come to attack.
Up in the house.
Fake motherfuckers. Every day when we step, motherfucker know the rip. A.B.R going off in the mix, go and tell you motherfuckers you ain't shit. Go and tell you right now in the blaze, motherfuckers wanna get in my goddamn face.
Oh yeah.
Y'all don't even know who I'll be. I'm the menace coming up, stepping on these streets. I'm a real renegade when I step on the block. Wanna fuck with me, gon' get your ass knocked. Real quick in the blink of an eye, I'ma take your goddamn fucking life. I'm a real cunt when I step on up. Oh yeah, 80, won't feel this, bro. Show some love when I get on off. On this microphone, of course. You wanna step on up, we're gonna feel the pain. Motherfucker, retell these motherfuckers, man.
Well, it's the biggest mistake of your whole life trying to challenge me or Blackjack. We're coming from the southern of the ghetto of Christie's. Reynella got the shit pumping, we're cracking bottle tops with bottles of whiskeys. Got Carlton draft. We're riding on our horses, we're trotting all over your bodies. Into the mud, into the ground. As I'm growing up, Blackjack's got the hydroponical skunk coming fresh up like fucking vegetables. Man, all you cunts gonna be left dead to me. I'm the deadliest. Coming with the team and it's A.B.R. Pumping every day and we do it, bruh. Not giving fuck, we're putting bitches, bras off like get on these knees and suck my dick. Fuck moderator and fuck rap fame. All you cunts from public chat ain't shit to us. We are the never gonna be, we're not new to this. We're bold school, deadly. Gonna fuck you up like man, like your mama was making me a bowler. Parmesan, that's a spaghetti bolognese. Cause I love to eat it, oh yeah, you know I blaze. Up with Blackjack, doing a fucking mad as shit. We got blunts and fucking never gonna be nothing to me. A.B.R with the realest team. Fucking rushedly fucking black and died. They're fucking
That's how it's gonna be. When you step up with your shit, you're gonna bow like a cow would say. Because you ain't bringing nothing to these goddamn streets. Out here in the south side, 80, we fucking survive. All the bullshit you wanna bring, because you ain't shit when it come to my team. A.B.R on the rise. Best motherfucking open your eyes when we come out there in these cold ass streets. You gon' feel this goddamn realest heat. You ain't gonna do nothing to us because we
never have to get back down to
up,
any of you pretenders, you fakers, you masturbators. You best forget
you ain't shit, I'm saying.
Spraying bullets into your face, but it's not a fucking gun. It's a fucking punch of a roundhouse. Uppercut.
Bang.
Uppercut.
Bang.
Uppercut.
Bang.
Feel our fist, feel our pain. Till you understand, you'll never know what we're brain.